Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is a highly anticipated one because I have not stopped talking about this palette since I've seen it. And this palette is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette, and I actually have a second one, so one for me, one for you. Yes, I'm having a giveaway. And a little bit about my experience getting this palette today. I woke up at 5:30 in the morning, left my house by 6, got to Morphe in New Jersey by 7 o'clock. I live in New York City, by the way. I took an Uber and a bus. Stressed, but it was so worth it to be number one online because one, I got all the palettes that I needed. So I bought mine, I bought my giveaway one, I bought Kira Lachelle's palette, which I overnighted to her so she wouldn't have to deal with Jeffree Star Cosmetics shipping. So she should get it by tomorrow, and hopefully her video is up by tomorrow, so watch out for that. And I also got one for my best friend Jessica, and it's actually behind this curtain right here. So it was a great time. Here's a little bit of my day, and then I'm just gonna get into what I feel about this palette. Y'all, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm about to travel an hour and a half to New Jersey to get the Blue Blood palettes. So let's pray for me that I actually get them. Good morning. And now that you guys have seen a little bit of what I went through today, I just wanted to talk about the packaging because this is definitely a collector's item. It's supposed to be reminiscent of a coffin and a jewelry box, and I think they really hit the nail on the head with that one. And this is how it looks on the inside. If you haven't seen it, these shades are stunningly put together, and I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. And it does retail for the same value as the Blood Sugar, which is $52. So something I forgot to mention is that I did get a lip scrub. I do not own a lip scrub by Jeffree Star, but I had to give in on this one because it doesn't really remind me of a blueberry pie. What it does remind me of is my favorite candle, and it's a fall candle called like pumpkin waffles. So I couldn't pass up on this one. But now we're just gonna get into the demo and see what I can come up with this palette. So I already have my P. Louise eye base all over my lid and my tape to secure my edge because y'all know I don't trust myself. And the first shade I want to dig in is this one right here. It's called Cremated. It's a really, really, really dark, almost gray blue that I'm gonna be placing all over the outermost parts of my crease with my blending brush from Profusion. Alright y'all, I've never seen a blue like this, and I think it's pretty unique, not gonna lie. It's almost gray, but you can definitely see that it is blue. This color does need to be worked up a little bit, but it is pretty once it's worked up. Now we're gonna cut our crease, and I hope you guys don't mind that I'm practicing double cut creases recently. So that is why I will have a double cut crease in this video and in my last video, because I'm trying to get used to my fold that's right here, because you have to be way more careful when you are doing a double cut crease if you do have this fold, because you really have to work with the fold. Okay, and when you're working with a flap, you have to make sure to look forward to make sure that the cut crease is going to be seen. So right now I'm looking straight and I can still see it, so that means I'm at a good height and I don't have to keep on going higher. Okay, and to fill that in, we are gonna go into Blue Blood, which is basically what this palette is named after. And we're gonna be using our Morphe 213 brush, which is this tiny packing brush. We're gonna just pack that on. This blue doesn't look like it would from the pan. It's a little bit darker, but it's still really pretty, if you guys can see that. Okay, and once we have the blue laid down, we're gonna cut our crease once again and create a smaller cut crease using, again, the P. Louise eye base and my Olimar shading brush. And we're gonna use a shade that I'm really excited to use because I think it's gonna be my favorite shade in the palette. And it's not even blue, but we're gonna make a small cut crease here. Okay, and once we have that done, we're gonna go in with Cullinan, which is this white diamond shade, again with our 213, using our color switch and packing that in. And I do not think that this look needs any eyeliner, which is good, because this kind of serves, like the shade Cullinan kind of serves as a white eyeliner that I like to put when I do blue looks. And that is what we have so far. I'm going to recreate this on the other eye. We're going to do our lower lash line and we're going to talk about the palette. So we are back to finish up the lower lash line, and I'm going for a pop of teal. So I'm going with Flourishing on a pencil brush and just sweeping that all over my lower lash line. And while we're doing this, I want to talk about how you can enter my giveaway. In your comment, you must include a word that describes your personality. So that's in addition to your comment on the content. So you can't just answer the question and be entered. You have to comment on the content and write a word that describes your personality. And then you also have to be subscribed and have your subscriptions public. So when I am choosing the winner, I can actually see that you're subscribed to me, because I want somebody who's actually subscribed to me to win. And that is it. That is all you need to enter. You can only comment once, so that's why I'm saying comment what you have to say about whatever you feel about this video, in addition to answering the question about one word that describes your personality, and you are entered to win a Blue Blood palette. But to finish off the lower lash line, I'm going into Undertaker, which is this dark purpley blue, and just putting that on the outer half of my lower lash line. And we are all set with the lower lash line. Lastly, to pull it all together, I'm going back to Cullinan with this brush and popping it on my inner corner, because that's bright. That's really bright. But this is the finished look, and y'all, I think that I like this palette more than the Blood Sugar. I can see myself using it more because I feel like blue complements my skin tone better than red. And again, the packaging is amazing, phenomenal. Jeffree really puts everything into his packaging, and I am appreciative of that. I think it's worth it, and I hope I helped you make your decision on if you want to buy this or not. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enter my giveaway, and I hope you guys like this video, and have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.